A rising tide, China's investment in the Isthmus of Tehuantepec. The Isthmus of Tehuantepec, a narrow strip of land separating the Gulf of Mexico from the Pacific Ocean, has long held strategic importance. Now it is at the heart of a bold new initiative. China is investing heavily in the region. They aim to create a new trade corridor. This ambitious project is set to reshape global trade. It has the potential to transform Mexico's economic landscape. For decades, the Isthmus of Tehuantepec has been a transit point for goods and people. However, its full potential remained untapped. China's investment is changing that. This influx of capital is funding crucial infrastructure projects. These include the modernization of existing ports and the construction of a high-speed railway. This initiative is not just about moving goods faster, it's about creating new opportunities. The project promises to bring much-needed investment to southern Mexico. This region has historically lagged behind the industrial north. The corridor aims to change this by creating jobs, boosting local economies, and fostering development. However, this project is not without its critics. Some voice concerns about the potential environmental and social impacts. Others worry about Mexico becoming overly reliant on China. The project's success hinges on striking a balance between economic progress and responsible development. Laying the foundation, new ports and a high-speed railway. China's vision for the Isthmus of Tehuantepec hinges on two key infrastructure projects. The first is the modernization and expansion of ports on both coasts. The second is the construction of a high-speed railway to connect them. On the Gulf Coast, the port of Coatzacoalcos is undergoing a dramatic transformation. New terminals are being built. Existing facilities are being upgraded to handle larger vessels. This expansion will significantly increase the port's cargo capacity. This allows it to accommodate the anticipated surge in trade. On the Pacific side, the port of Salina Cruz is also undergoing a major overhaul. Similar to Coatzacoalcos, Salina Cruz will see the construction of new terminals. These will be equipped with state-of-the-art cranes and handling equipment. These improvements will dramatically reduce loading and unloading times. Linking these two revitalized ports is a new high-speed railway. This railway is designed to move goods quickly and efficiently across the isthmus. The railway will significantly reduce transit times. This will make the route more competitive with existing trade routes. The combination of these infrastructure improvements is designed to create a seamless and efficient transportation corridor. This corridor will facilitate the rapid movement of goods between Asia and the Americas. It will also reduce shipping costs and delivery times. An economic boon for Mexico: jobs, investment, and growth. The Tehuantepec trade corridor will significantly impact the Mexican economy, especially in the south. It promises thousands of jobs, foreign investment, and economic growth. New ports and railways will generate a surge in employment, thousands of jobs in construction, engineering, and related fields. Opportunities in logistics, transportation, and port management. The corridor will attract significant foreign investment. This investment will boost local economies and businesses. The government sees it as a key driver of growth and development, transforming one of Mexico's poorest regions into a vibrant trade hub. The price of progress, environmental and social concerns. While the economic benefits of the Tehuantepec trade corridor are undeniable, the project has sparked concerns about its environmental and social impacts. Critics argue that the new infrastructure could harm delicate ecosystems and local communities. One major concern is deforestation and habitat loss. Clearing land for construction could threaten biodiversity and fragment wildlife habitats. Increased shipping traffic could lead to higher levels of air and water pollution. Socially, there are concerns about the displacement of local communities. Construction could force people to relocate, leading to social disruption. Addressing these concerns is crucial for the sustainability and social responsibility of the Tehuantepec trade corridor. A new route on the map: competition and collaboration with existing trade routes. The Tehuantepec trade corridor could reshape trade routes and intensify competition among existing corridors. The Panama Canal is a potential competitor to the new route. The Tehuantepec corridor offers a shorter, cost-effective route for goods between Asia and the east coast of North America. This could shift some cargo traffic from the Panama Canal to the Tehuantepec route. There is also potential for collaboration between the Tehuantepec corridor and existing routes. The development of the Tehuantepec corridor highlights the importance of interconnectivity in global trade, powering the future technological innovations in the trade corridor. The Tehuantepec trade corridor is not just about bricks and mortar, it's also about embracing technological innovations to create a smarter, more efficient, and sustainable transportation system. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, technology is playing a key role in shaping the future of this ambitious project. One area where technology is making a significant impact is in port operations. The new ports at Coatzacoalcos and Salina Cruz are being equipped with state-of-the-art systems that automate many aspects of cargo handling, from loading and unloading to tracking and inventory management. AI-powered algorithms are being used to optimize shipping routes, predict cargo volumes, and improve logistics planning. This helps to reduce shipping times, minimize costs, and enhance the overall efficiency of the trade corridor. Sustainability is another key focus of the project. The trade corridor is incorporating renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to reduce its environmental footprint. The goal is to create a green corridor that minimizes its impact on the environment. The integration of technology into the Tehuantepec trade corridor is not only about improving efficiency and sustainability, it's also about enhancing safety and security. Advanced surveillance systems, including drones and sensors, are being deployed to monitor the corridor, prevent smuggling, and ensure the safe passage of goods and people. A New World Order geopolitical implications and China's growing influence. The development of the Tehuantepec trade corridor has significant geopolitical implications, underscoring China's growing economic and political influence in Latin America. The project is seen by some as a sign of China's ambition to challenge the United States' traditional dominance in the region. China's investment in the trade corridor is part of its broader Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure development program aimed at connecting China to the rest of the world through a network of roads, railways, ports, and other projects. The Belt and Road Initiative has been met with mixed reactions, with some welcoming the investment and others expressing concerns about China's growing influence. The Tehuantepec corridor is a prime example of this debate, as it highlights both the potential benefits and risks of closer economic ties with China. For Mexico, the trade corridor represents an opportunity to boost its economy and strengthen its ties with a major global power. However, it also raises concerns about becoming overly dependent on China and potentially jeopardizing its relationship with the United States. The Tehuantepec trade corridor is a microcosm of the shifting geopolitical landscape, where China is playing an increasingly assertive role on the world stage. The project's success or failure will have far-reaching implications not just for Mexico and China, but for the future of global trade and geopolitics.